I want to show you how to use a continuity meter for internet networking. So follow us while I practically show you every button on that meter.
Let us unveil the device. So this is how the device package look like. You can see network wire tracker. This is the manual, and this is the device. So let me take it out. This is the second one, the working pairs. These are the attached cable from there. You can see that this device has two ports: the RJ45 connection point and the RJ12 connection, RJ12 connection point. And the other side has only one RJ45. That is why you see that the cable comes in pair. In case you want to use a telephone line for internet connection, and you need to check this port. So that's why the cable comes in pairs: RJ45 connector and R2J12 connector. So these are the two connectors that comes with it. So you can see this device has a lighting, a tracking light 1 to 8, because the cable inside here are 8. So it's wired to, and this button, this very button you are seeing here, is for scan. For this device, this is the sensor. This one is to check the signal in maybe inside block or block wall, and you want to trace whether the cable passed there or not. And then by the side is on and off. This is the on and this is the off. The on is for the light in case you want to work in the night, and this will take, this is the off. This is the volume. It has a volume, and it also have an earpiece port. This is the earpiece for this speaker to your ear. You plug it right in here, and then plug this side to your ears. So the second one has also 1 to 8, and this button to this side is continuity, while this one is for scan. It has 1 to 8 also, okay, and it also has RJ45 connector and RJ12 connector. It has a battery space. This is the battery they use. Same thing with the other one. It has also a battery space. If you look at the battery here, so you can change the battery. This is the speaker behind, so you can hear the noise if it's, so it's because it's on earpiece, you can hear the sound. Okay, so let us subject it to use and see how it will function. You plug this to this place, it will key. Okay, then you plug the second side to this side also, it will also key. Okay, you can see, let's check the two. If this cable crimping is correct, we are going to see the light here. So let me check for continuity first. See, it's ready. You can see the light here. It's reading 1 to 8. It's reading. It means there's a continuity. There's no problem with this crimping or with this cable. But if I'm to scan, let us scan and see. You see, it's showing you that all the lines are true, that the cable is fine. That's why you see all these 8 lights comes up. If the cable is bad, one of the light that is bad, whether there's a cable here, to know where to open in case of repair or rewiring. Okay, I don't know where my cable is, so I want to trace. I'm going to use this sensor now to check. From here, you can hear the sound. It means that there's cable here, there's no cable here, there's cable here, there's no cable here. So if I'm to open this one, I will open here because this is where the cable is. This is how this magic device is being used.